itira Maguta guku bururi-ini ni ru epra ni marikiti kuhithukira kiganda-kimwe na kiria kiri mwena wa industrial area guku ni mucini munene wa Kenya Nairobi na kuria kurerikana ati ni makuriro makihithukia indo itiganete na iria ciumanaga na maguta maya mokite riri nake murugamiriri wa undu kana wa epra Daniel Kipto ugite ati ni marikiti kwambika mugurio wa gutigirira ati ni mahitana na aria othe maratabania thugura ino akiuga ati
So we are here today as part of our mandate given to us by the legislative arm of government, ensuring that we're able to protect the consumers. And one aspect in technical regulation is one, ensuring that facilities, one, are licensed, two, is facilities are built up to technical standards, and then also to ensure that those that are not built, one, are built without a license or not built up to technical standards, we're able to conduct enforcement activities and to ensure that we protect Kenyans and we protect consumers. So one of the areas that we are looking at when we speak to some of the challenges we're having in the energy and petroleum sectors, one is the aspect of vandalism on the part of electricity. We've been having a conversation particularly with the public, scrap metal dealers. We have a lot of our critical infrastructure in terms of towers that are being vandalized in the transmission lines and distribution lines. The enforcement of that mandate sits with us as a regulator, which is a sector-specific regulator, but we work with other state security actors to ensure that we're able to achieve this. But here today, we are here on the bit of petroleum, where we have facilities such as where we are today, which is not licensed, what we call illegal dens for siphoning of petroleum products. Not too far off from here is the KPC facility in terms of the storage facility of KPC on Nanyuki Road. We have truck drivers who come here and able to siphon petroleum products out of the trucks and be able to conduct adulteration. Adulteration has two problems, because one is there's an economic incentive to adulteration because of the price differential between super diesel and kerosene, where we have kerosene being mixed with diesel or kerosene being mixed with super, and then we have our vehicles on the road for unsuspecting Kenyans, engines having to knock on account of poor quality product. So there's a quality aspect to it, but there's also an economic angle, because where you're trying to pass off kerosene as diesel or pass off kerosene as super, because of the price differential, there's economic benefit. So we've been working quite closely with the government security agencies and also with other intelligence agencies to gather intelligence or facilities such as the one we're here at today, to ensure we are not only able to stop them in the short term, but also be able to decommission. Decommissioning, which is the activity that we're here today, is a power provided to the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority by virtue of the Energy Act 2019 and the Petroleum Act 2019.
Haya, tukithina mbere ni ruhonge rwa bururi rwa kurunga mitugo rwina mubango wa gutigirira ati nimanyihia